Are you passionate about trees and looking for an exciting career in the UK? Let's dive into how you can become an arborist and learn the trade. Start by considering college courses or apprenticeships to gain crucial knowledge in tree care. Look for certifications from the Arboricultural Association to enhance your skills and credibility. Don't forget that hands-on experience is key. Volunteering and apprenticeships are excellent ways to gain valuable on-the-job training. Ready to land your dream job? Search online job boards, network with industry professionals, and join organizations like the Arboricultural Association. Attend industry events and workshops to keep learning and growing in this thrilling field. For more information on becoming a tree surgeon and to see the latest jobs, join our Facebook group at the Alpha Trees Hub. We share job postings, the latest news in the tree surgery industry, product reviews, and career updates. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tree surgery career updates, and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Find our Facebook group link in the video description to join our community. It's time to turn your love for trees into a rewarding career. Take the first step, explore more resources, and share this video with others. Good luck, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Alpha Trees Hub.